Hi everyone, welcome to our course. My name is Liang Yuan, the professional Chinese teacher. Today our course is about kitchen, which is very useful in our daily life, especially if you like cooking. Anyway, if you're interested in our course, don't forget to subscribe our channel, go through our website, and if you have any suggestion of our course, just comment below. Let's start our course today. So first of all, we should learn these two new characters. No, not two new. These two we have learned in housing, right? 厨房, both second tone, which means kitchen. 厨房, 厨房, 厨房. And this 厨 literally just means like anything related to cooking. For example, cook, 厨师, cooker, 厨具. And then we have first microwave oven, 微波炉. Wave means micro, 波 wave, oven 炉. So this is just directly translated from English. 微波炉, 微波炉, 微波 both flat tone and 炉 second tone. 微波炉 and then oven 烤箱, 烤箱, 烤 third tone 香香 flat tone, and then gas stove 燃气灶燃气灶燃气灶 and then vent 抽油烟机抽油烟机 this is kind of hard 抽 flat 油 second tone 烟 flat 机 flat抽油烟机抽油烟机 and then kettle 热水壶热水壶热水壶 and then electric kettle 电热水壶电热水壶 so I just added 电 which means electric here 电热水壶 and then thermos 暖水瓶暖水瓶暖水瓶暖 means warm and 水 water 瓶 means a bottle 暖水瓶 and dinner table 餐桌餐桌餐桌And then dining table, 餐桌餐桌餐桌 and dining chair, 餐椅餐椅餐椅 Then tablecloth, 桌布桌布桌布桌布napkin 餐巾纸餐巾纸餐巾纸 flat third 餐巾纸 and then glass 玻璃杯玻璃杯玻璃杯 paper cups 纸杯纸杯纸杯纸杯 and then cloth cleaning cloth 抹布抹布抹布抹 flat tone 布 fourth tone 抹布 apron 围裙 both second tone 围裙围裙 and then full set 水龙头水龙头水龙头 and sink 水槽水槽水槽 first third tone 水 and then second tone 槽水槽 and then dishwashing machine 洗碗机，洗碗机，洗碗机。dish rack，dish rack，dish rack， 碗架，碗架，碗架。cupboard， 橱柜，橱柜，橱柜，橱柜。and refrigerator， 冰箱。We've learned this before in housing. 冰 means ice, cold. 箱 means a box, so refrigerator, ice box. 冰箱，冰箱。And then drinking fountain, 饮水机，饮水机，饮水机。热水 hot water， 热水，热水，热水 cold water， 冷水，冷水，冷水。So this is course today. We have learned a lot of new expression and new characters. Anyway, please do some review in case that you may forget some of them. Anyway, if you're interested in our course, don't forget to subscribe our channel, go to our website. Any suggestion, just comment below. And don't forget to check the homework. Bye!